Today we are making Sundubu Jjigae, a classic Korean comfort dish. This version is inspired by Chef Jung Ho-young from Culinary Class Wars. That alone already gives it some credibility, right? In Korea, Sundubu Jjigae is one of those dishes people turn to when they want something warm and comforting. It's easy to find, affordable, and deeply familiar, something you might eat on a cold day or when you are tired and just want a proper meal. It's not fancy food, but it's the kind of dish that always feels right. There is a small personal story I want to share. I once went to a Sundubu Jjigae place where you could add eggs freely, and because I apparently look a bit Southeast Asian, the staff thought I was a foreigner. They didn't say anything. They just used hand gestures to tell me you can add eggs as many as you want. I still remember that moment. Somehow it made the Sundubu Jjigae taste even better. I've left our channel's Instagram in the description, and there's also a link to my personal Instagram there. Feel free to check it out if you're curious. Anyway, let's get back to the food. Sundubu Jjigae is something Koreans eat all year round, but honestly, it hits different in winter. Korea is in the middle of winter right now, and this is exactly the kind of food you crave on cold days. Warm, comforting, and quietly satisfying. Is there a dish in your country that you always think of when it gets cold? If there is, let me know in the comments. In the video, we made mushroom rice, but honestly this stew goes well with any kind of rice. If you've never had Sundubu Jjigae before, it might look very spicy because of the red color. But it's actually not as spicy as it looks. The softness of the tofu and the egg really balances out the heat. And if you're worried it might be too spicy, you can always skip ingredients like chili peppers. Before we wrap up, I just want to say this quickly. Your comments and subscription actually mean a lot to us, more than you might think. They really help us decide what to cook next and keep this channel going. So if you have any thoughts, questions, or Korean dishes you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.